everyone and welcome. I am at Mercedes-Benz Constantiaberg. I'm here for something else, totally unrelated. Maybach V12, by the way. Anyways, unrelated, but the dealer principal was like, hey, take the G63 for a spin. Do you think I'm gonna say no? Hey, got the suction cup, got the camera. Let's go take a G63 Amg for a spin. By the way, Ashraf's with me, Mercedes-Benz Owners Club. If you want any details, description down below. Follow our socials, join the club if you have a Mercedes-Benz. We're all busy with Constantiaberg, busy cooking up something, and we're gonna do. Oh, Uncle, he's getting the plates. He's getting the plates. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. So we have Quinton with us. Quinton, who are you at Mercedes-Benz Constantiaberg?
I'm the sales manager at Mercedes-Benz Constantiaberg, the #1 dealership in the Cape.
There we go. You heard it here first, folks. You heard it here first. Anyways, there's some mad exciting cars. We have two SLs now. Check here. This car is blue, and it's turquoise. It's more like checker 6060. Me and Ashraf was saying we put a 6060 on the door, and then people will be like, "Who the hell is driving around?" Look at this. Here's another one, 43, yellow. Prefer the blue. There's a black one inside with the top down, looking flipping awesome. And then we have a G63. So Quinton is kind enough to take us for a spin. And boy, oh boy, is my stuff fizzling quite a bit here. Over the moon right now. I can't. Ashraf, can you tell I'm excited? Can you tell?
So yes.
But you gonna drive also? Because I want to feel it in the passenger.
No, I'll sit at the back.
I want to feel a passenger and I want to feel driver. Now I've driven powerful cars before, right? And when I say powerful cars, I mean not that powerful. So this is gonna be something special. So this G63, nice AMG spec with the black matte fenders and I think it's a satin white also. This is not a wrap, this is painted from Mercedes-Benz factory. Car is for sale. It is for sale, Quinton? How much? What's the price in here? 4 point how much?
3.85.
Whoa, this is cheaper than the 450D inside. What a bargain. That's an absolute bargain. The one inside is a 2025, 2024.
So 2025?
That's a 2025 emerald green 450 diesel.
That's also 2025.
That's also 2025. That's also a diesel. That's a 400, not a 450.
No, 450.
Also 450. That's a nice brownish color. I can't say it's brown, more grayish brown. And then this is a satin white factory, not wrapped. 63 V8. Is that a 5.2? Yeah, 5.2 V8.
It's a 4 liter.
It's a 4 liter. Okay, now we just add another 0.4. Sorry, it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna strap up and we're gonna go for a spin. Quinton's gonna drive first. Warm it up nice. I don't want it cold. Very familiar setup. I'll get in the passenger. Oh, I'm going to the back. Tailpipes are actually here. There they are. There they are. Okay. That's no. G-Wagon doors got a slab. Like that. Just getting some fuel because 63. My guy, let's go. Let's go. Uncle offered. You think I'm gonna say no? Lukewarm start for the boys.
I'm sitting in front. Are you going to do a video from the
Ashraf,
back?
I'm sitting in front. Ashraf.
You
can sit in front, Ashraf.
Chill in front. Chill in front.
Where's the member to sit in front? Out up because he's gonna get wild in here now. He's off-roading.
Yeah, on the left. We're going to get a slip on the back.
Way too high in here. How low does it go? Very low. I won't like Quinton. It's one of those tick the box rides. Neutral, yes.
You know you have the
Is there an
power.
exhaust flap on here? Wait, hold on.
Yeah, just
Individual.
yo, you can hear the difference in it.
Yo. Just boy.
Remember the G doesn't have the pops and bangs like the.
No. There's no need for that.
You don't even
There's no need for that. Window a little bit up because we want to hear. My God, this thing is idling. I haven't touched the accelerator pedal yet. Oh my goodness gracious. I just touched it. It's already telling me 80 speed limit. We are in the parking lot, by the way.
The response.
I don't know how the parking lot has an 80 speed limit. You know what I mean? How does it even have? Actually, visibility is not that bad. That was one of my things that I was thinking. How's visibility in a G-Wagon? And it's not that, yes, the front's a little bit long, but it is a bit of a square, so it's not as intimidating as you would think.
I'm used to the old school answer looking for the bike. It's my throw, yeah.
Oh, in sport it is a bit funky. It's not in manual until I pull it in manual, yeah? Far away from the truck. Oi, look at that white turn. No, stay away. Stay away. Like butter. Let's just streak on.
Yo, you
Okay,
can
I'm
feel that
leaving
power,
it in
yes.
sport. I will switch it back to comfort. It's actually now in sport plus, but I'm not changing gears here.
You don't have to, but if you want, you can.
Okay. So this one is a trade-in. This one is for sale. I mean, if you really want one, you're not going to ask the price. What's the price? 3.8 million, which is an absolute bargain. Just so, by the way,
Wait, this one is like 3.1.
Yeah. bargain.
You see what I'm talking
Bargain.
about? When you want to work
The
yourself into that
kilometers
position. Because 3.1 sounds better than 4.
It does. 3.99999. I'm actually cruising it, but waiting for engine temps to get a little bit up.
It's up, you know, the blue is off and the engine temperature is up.
When the blue is off.
Yeah, so the gearbox temperature is...
Jesus Christ! You see, the uncle said the blue is off. You see, right? I just waited for the blue is off story. Wow, for something this big, the weight on this cookie, Quinton, you know the
So
weight?
this is about 3...
Three.
Yo,
Three.
3, yo, almost 3 kg, yo.
Check them up. I'm checking all my spots.
Wow.
Blind spots, under spots, top spots. I'm checking all spots.
You
could drive over a quad or something if it was standing here.
And you wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. Just feel it and you wouldn't know.
over the market.
Yo, no,
Say what?
We need to go fetch children still.
What's the time? We got time. We got time. Nah, we're joking. There is a Range Rover in
You
front
see
of
these
us.
spots, you know.
There's a Range Rover SV. I'm taking him. Let's go. Let's go. Come, Booty. Come. I'm gonna take your duck. Oh my! A little bit of poo came out. There. Just a tiny bit.
Fine poopies.
Just fine poopies. You put down, it's immediate. It does.
It is
I think
fine.
it gave down 1 gear, but that was it. That's all it needed. I'm gonna just leave a bit of runway here because we're gonna actually give it just a little bit of beach here. Oh God! Whoa! Are you kidding me?
That's nice. That's great. Yo.
No ways, bro. This is legal? Like, there are ladies driving around this sort of thing.
No.
What is wrong with you? You don't need this. I actually just want to feel just how subtle, how solid it feels in the cruise. And yes, it's a bit floaty like a bucky would drive, but then again, it has a leather frame chassis. So it does feel a bit like, you know, when the front bumps, you feel the back also. But it's not as hectic as in like a Fortuner, for example. But it is a big car. 3.8 tons is no joke. Absolutely no joke in something like this.
But it pulls its weight.
And
Really nice.
where's the fuel economy? I would love to see the fuel economy. Consumption right now. I'm not joking. Live consumption.
Yeah, it's live consumption.
3 liters per 100 kilometers. Fuel efficient.
No,
It's a
man.
daily driver.
No,
Wait,
man,
I'm
it's
gonna
still
put
too
down.
early.
Listen what happens.
Okay.
Yes,
100
no, what?
100 liters.
It went to 100 liters per 100 kilometers. How did it even do that? I'm putting it in Sport Plus and see what happens. Okay, come on. I have to see that again. Okay. Oh my god. It actually hits 100 liters per 100 kilometers.
You put your foot down. Yo, that's mad.
Wow, yeah. Wow. Like, when you're on it, it's heavy. Like, it's a hard experience, very hard, very hard, and you actually gotta hold on. But when you're driving, like, chill. 17 liters per 100. Like a hybrid. It's like a hybrid.
Is this liquid?
Look at this guy. He's worried if that's liquids on the trees. Are we picking liquids in a G-Wagon? Are we pulling over and taking liquids off a tree in a G-Wagon? That'll be hilarious. Let's go around. Let's feel how it goes around a circle. Let's try not to tip it.
Yo, I don't think that's possible.
Oh my God.
This more came hunting years.
Yes. Yeah, it's me and I start talking about Hot Wheels again. Yeah, we like our Hot Wheels. Quinton, you like your Hot Wheels, Quinton?
Long time since I bought
Yes,
Hot Wheels, brother.
I have 2 G-Wagon Hot Wheels, and now, look at me now.
Driving.
I have dreams,
Oh,
people.
my word. The next one is in your garage.
The next one is maybe a little bit bigger than the Hot Wheels.
You throw enough water on the Hot Wheels. God, that he still need to go fix his shit.
Oh, no, we can use this. We can use this. We will fix
Yo,
my
I think
daughter
my
in
boy will
this.
lose his mind.
No, that one auntie that is standing there that waits for her daughter must be like, hey, looking a little bit more attractive now than usual. You know what I mean? Yes, so. It's a smile on my face the whole time driving this thing. I don't understand.
That's the cost of your smile.
It's worth it. It's worth it, man. You just buy a G-Wagon and sort it.
No, but it don't sound very aggressive. Though.
No. Maybe from the outside it's very tricky because the windows are closed. The exhaust are on the side. So there's not a lot of, like, it doesn't come out the back, yeah. Wow. What a feeling. Quinton, thank you very much. Thank you to Constantiaberg Mercedes-Benz for the spin and a half.
So you want zero consumption now?
Yeah, no, it's in negative. It's in negative. That's how cool it is.
It saves
it's in negative.
automatically for you.
I can't believe it. And it's it's a big thank you to them. What's next, Quinton?
Where do you go from the G63 then?
GT.
Oh, okay.
GT.
Yeah, after your 100 liters.
There you go.
Yeah,
There you go. How much is that in there? Like 102. 102 liters per 100 kilometers.
To him,
I'm gonna do a launch. Just quick fast. The car is very much warm now. Whoa! It pulled to the side. I tapped off the moment it did that. It's over, guys. It's over. It's over. What an experience! Wow, I'm not gonna lie. That was so special. Yeah.
thanks very much.
I actually needed that. I'm not gonna lie.
For me, even
For the couple of days I've been having.
it's an experience. Is that my Bacher V12?
Yes, bro.
Oh my
Yes,
word!
bro. Did you not see when you pulled up?
You must hear that engine start.
I can just imagine. Yes.
See, let's see how difficult it is to park
Nah, it
a
should be.
G-Wagon. Oh, okay.
Regular man.
We go to reverse here. Camera comes up.
See the
What's
telling
It's
you.
around.
Swing on, swing on.
I'm swinging on. Okay. And I'm not normally a swinger, but swinging hard right now. Okay, are we past? Let's go a little bit forward again. Put in the cap. Yeah. Not that difficult to park, guys. Not a parallel park though, but close.
Here we go.
Hey, now we got kids to fetch. Finish for the dream. Thank you.
For a minute, I didn't
I'm
know how
out.
to
We
open the
don't drive quantums here, okay? We don't drive quantums. Said no. Polos.